Hey guys, I just wanted to update you real quick. You see how I've got some real chipping happening? I'm using a 1/4 inch Lauan. We're doing that for the risers and the stringers on our stairs. If you know what that is, it's the risers, rise as in the front face of your staircase, and the stringers are the pieces that go on the sides. But you see how this is chipping here because of my saw? A little tip for you guys. Grab yourself a utility knife, and you can see that I've made my mark here for my next riser. What I'm going to do, instead of using a pencil to mark that guy, I'm going to get my utility knife. I'm going to get this nice and tight on my mark, and then I'm going to score it instead of marking it with a pencil. Can't see it super well, but try that out, and then follow your line really closely when you cut it out, and you won't have those chips flecking up. When you cut this piece of wood, it'll come out with a nice finish face. So I just cut that I scored. You can see that it's a super clean way to do that cut.